Question number 4 of exercise 1.2, given that HCF of two numbers 306 and 657 is 9. We have to find the LCM. We know that the product of any two positive integer equals to product of HCF of these numbers and LCM of these numbers. So our number is 306, 657. We have given HCF is 9, and we have to find the LCM. Okay, now 9 will move this side, 9 will move this side, or we can write it as 306 multiply 657 divided by 9. 9 1 ja 9, 9 7 ja 63, 9 3 ja 27. Now multiply 306 into 73 and we will find our LCM. So the LCM of 306, 306 and 657 is equal to this. Okay.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.